Alright guys, so let's take a second and talk. You may have equipment down right now, sitting in a field, sitting in a yard, whatever it is. Now, you might be confused, the dealer might be out a few weeks to get down to your equipment, or you just need some quick technical advice. What do? You can call some dealerships, some of them offer some sort of help, while others, well, they will lead you over to field service and they'll have somebody out to eventually get to it. Well, what if you had the ability to talk to somebody like me or another certified tech just by simply going onto a website, setting up a consultation, which we'll get to here shortly, is free right off the bat. You get a free consultation just by simply going to the website, filling out the information on the sheet. Boom, you get somebody to answer your questions. Now, if this is something you're looking forward to, you can pay a monthly fee and you can talk to somebody, video chat, phone call, email, whatever it is that you guys need can be simply answered. It's that easy. So hit up the guys over at Ajax. Boom, right there. Link will be in the description below. Take a look at the website. It's done beautifully. I love it. The way that they've done everything so far, I'm nothing but excited about being involved with this project. Again, if you guys have any questions, anything about your piece of equipment, doesn't matter what it is. It could be a forklift, it could be a skid steer, it could be a landfill compactor, it could be a John Deere tractor sitting in the field right now. Whatever it is, there's an expert that they have on this website that will be able to assist you in fixing that piece of equipment. So this goes out to operators, technicians, on-site guys, whatever it is. You guys can go right on there, talk to somebody like me, and we can fix your product.